Hey, welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. Thank you so much for being here for our 12 days of cookies, and we are on day 7. We are just cranking through these and baking some amazing cookies. We take a different turn today, and we are doing an oatmeal cranberry cookie. So this is very holiday, very traditional, and I always like to say the oatmeal cookie because oatmeal actually battles high blood sugar and high blood pressure and things like that. I like to call it a healthy cookie, even though it's really not at all. So don't think that I'm telling you this is a healthy cookie. You need a whole bunch because it does have butter and sugar and all that wonderful stuff in it. But we do try and keep it as light as possible. It does have oatmeal in it. And before we get any further, thank you again so much for being here. Subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. Smash that like button. Let's get cooking these oatmeal cranberry cookies. These come together so quickly. We have flour, old-fashioned rolled oats, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Super easy. We're going to whip this together, and now we're going to get those wet ingredients going that we always talk about, and your sugar is always included in that, in your wet ingredients. So we have packed brown sugar, we are going to have some butter. We are going to blend those 2 ingredients for about 5 minutes. We want it very, very well mixed. No lumps or bumps per se. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla to this, and we're also going to add an egg. We're going to then blend this together so it is super creamy and almost frothy like this. Now add those dry ingredients, the flour mixture we put together, and we're going to blend this into this thick dough. Now is where you'll add your craisins, your toffee bits, your chocolate chips, your regular raisins, any of those ingredients. I just used my hand to kind of fold it together and whip it. On a baking sheet, we're going to add a little cooking spray. And now we're going to dollop that dough into these nice little lumps. Your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. As soon as you have all your cookies on there, we're going to put them about 2 inches apart, and they are going to bake for 11 minutes. And we did it again. This is actually another, oatmeal cookies are kind of one of my favorites. I really like the chew that they have in it. So here is our wonderful craisin cranberry oatmeal cookie. The great thing about these cookies is if you take that basic recipe, you can put toffee bits in it. You can put macadamia nuts. You could put walnuts. You could do your craisins. You could put regular raisins. You could put whatever you want inside of these cookies, and it works out great. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. I really love the chew of these. They're almost like caramel. These are really good. This is a traditional any day cookie to me. So anyhow, thank you guys so much for being here. We love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow with yet another cookie.